Hello and welcome to another video from flashcardsforkindergarten.com. In this video, I'm going to introduce our animal flashcards. On the website, you'll find 8 different categories of animal flashcards. Those include farm animal flashcards, sea animal flashcards, desert animal flashcards, forest animal flashcards, savanna animal flashcards, jungle animal flashcards, Arctic animal flashcards, as well as 100 animal flashcards. The 100 animal flashcards section features most of the animals featured in this set, in alphabetical order. In addition to those, we also have animal phonics, which can be used to practice phonics. The set can be used to teach animal food chains. For example, a fish eats plankton and a shark eats a fish. If you would like to download these flashcards and hundreds of other free flashcards and teaching materials, please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Thank you.